Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I created a short tutorial on how to create a Google account. If you've never done that before, do well to check the link in my description. Now, in this next episode of my tutorial, I'll be revealing how to set your two-factor verification, two-factor authentication that will enable, that will prevent your account from hackers and all of that. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now once you log on to your Google account, this is my home page on my Google account. Then you now click on security. Once you click on security, you see a lot of tips here. Then you now scroll down to two-step verification. As you can see, the two-step verification is turned off, so we need to turn it on to ensure our account is being protected from hackers. So we're going to click on this drop down icon. So once you click on it, you see some of the factors and like prevent your account from hackers to accessing your account with additional layers of security. When you sign in, two-factor verification help make sure that your personal information stays private, safe and secure. Now after reading the whole procedure, you click on get started. So you allow it to load. Now this is my phone number. You do well to check if that is the phone number you use in creating your Google account. Now if you want to verify the phone number through phone call or text, how you want to get the code, but for the sake of this tutorial, I prevent, in case if you are not staying in your country of residence and you need a Google PIN and you're no longer using your phone number, there's a better option for you to set a two-factor verification, which is the 8-digit code I'll be revealing to you. So you make use of more options. So as you can see, we have additional option here. So now let's click on next. So once you click on it, they will send a confirmation code to your phone, and then we're using it. Then you click on next. Then after entering it, then you click on turn on two-step verification. Now you've succeeded in turning on your two-step verification and your account is being saved. You can see that the two-step verification is turned on since today's date. This day I set it on. You can equally turn it off as the case may be. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. If this information is useful, I'll be creating a YouTube channel with this Gmail, and I would like to walk you the step-by-step procedure in which you can create your own YouTube channel and start earning money. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys.